Hey there, Seahorse here, and welcome to another episode of Late Night Maintenance in the Basement, because my kids don't allow me to do any work during the day. Okay, here we go.
Remedial plumbing!
In this video, I'm going to show you how to reuse an existing fixed fitting by actually cutting it out of the plumbing system and retrofitting it with a union that has a threaded end. Then I will show you how I plan to use my retrofitted union piece in a flexible hose application. This is a temporary fix for me while I await the gas piper's return to replumb my whole system with 2-inch PVC. By doing this now, I ensure that I can utilize my UV-Sanitation system along with my pool pump and filter without waiting for the larger pipe upsizing to be completed. The PVC plumbing I previously had was undersized for my pump's recommendations. Our pump actually calls for 2-inch pipes when you have 10 fittings or more. We definitely do with all the add-ons we have to our circulation system. But before the gas piper comes back to retrofit our pool's plumbing, I'm having the liner replaced. When that happens, hopefully next week, we will need to fill the pool and turn on the circulation and sanitation system. In the interim, I'm going to make a custom piece that reuses an old union that is now a permanent part of this array. I bought new unions to go on the UV sanitation tower, but for now I'm going to make a piece that will be able to be utilized with the flexible type hoses for the next couple of weeks. After that, the gas piper will return to hard pipe the whole thing in 2-inch PVC. For now, sit back, relax, and enjoy my comical song where I poke fun at my remedial plumbing job in the basement.
Pipes were fully drained, the pool was winterized. Can you feel my pain? When I had realized we had busted pipes, water had been trapped. Was like a side swipe when I saw they'd snap. Now I'm in the basement, remedial plumbing. To my own amazement, didn't see this one coming. Didn't see this one coming. Didn't see this one coming. Pipes were fully drained, the pool was winterized. Can you feel my pain? When I had realized we had busted pipes, water had been trapped. Was like a side swipe when I saw they'd snap. My pain when I had realized we had busted pipes, water had been trapped. Was like a side swipe when I saw they'd snap.
If you enjoy this or think this is funny, hit like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.
Remedial plumbing.